Standby mode not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update? Don't worry, follow this advanced troubleshooting guides to fix the standby mode not working issue after the recent update. So let's get started. Before you do anything, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode and Low Power mode from your iPhone. Method 1. Check Standby settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Standby. Now make sure to enable the standby from here and also enable other necessary options and check your issue. Method 2. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple restart on your iPhone. Often only giving a simple restart on the iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset all settings again and then enable Standby settings and check your issue. After following this process, hope one of these processes will fix standby mode not working on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update. Hope you find this video helpful. If it was, drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.